Hi everyone, I'm Simidar Jackson. I'm the Spa Education Manager here at Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare, and I'm going to show you what's in the Hyperpigmentation bundle. So first up, we have the Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. This is my absolute favorite cleanser. Of course, it has a unique blend of alpha and beta hydroxy acids, which are really great to remove makeup, give you a light retexturization, smoothing skin without being harsh or throwing the skin off balance. After cleansing, now we're going to do our peel. So I am using the Universal Daily Peel. Step 1 is our isolated actives and step 2 is our neutralizer. You want to apply in circular motions all over the face, including the jawline and the neck even. Waiting 2 minutes is key because it gives the actives the right amount of time to work. And then we go in with step 2, which is going to neutralize the acids. So it turns them off, making sure we are controlling the depth and the level of the peel. Once again, making sure we are not irritating the skin. All right, so next up for treating hyperpigmentation, we have IPL Dark Spot Correcting Serum. So this is a supercharged vitamin C serum. It uses L-ascorbic acid, which is the star grade type of vitamin C for treating hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is a very stubborn condition to treat because it sits at the bottom layer of our skin and it moves itself up. So we want to stop the overproduction at the source and then work on it all the way through the layers of the skin. And next on our list is the Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that contains another blend of alpha beta acids, of course. The main acid here is lactic acid, which is really important because lactic acid is very gentle. It is very suitable for most people, even people with sensitive skin. Voila.